What's going on, guys? Today is November 5th, 2026, and I'm going to be going over how I chart and trade the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500. First off, what I do is I get a top-down approach with the Fibonacci tool from the bottom all the way to the top, just to give myself a bigger picture idea where the market's going and where it's heading. After I chart the Fibonacci levels, I get yearly highs. So the previous yearly high, which would be 2024, I mark those levels. As you can see, the previously yearly highs are big supports. Earlier on in the year, when we had a big rejection, we came back down to these previous highs and we held them as support, and we've gone up ever since. ES and NASDAQ both tend to model each other. They tend to follow each other. Same thing right here. We had the yearly highs, we came down, and we bounced back up. Okay, so after I get my yearly highs, I zoom down more to a monthly time frame, and then right here is where I'm gonna chart last month's high. So this was the previous month. I tend to chart more last month, this month's high, and stuff like that more on ES because it respects the level a little bit more. So on ES, we would be charting this high, and I might mark them yellow. You can just use whatever color code you guys remember more. I like to use yellow as previous high, and then right here, the month before that, we'll mark that as green, so we'll know that was the previous month's high. And then we'll mark them here just on NQ, the previous month's high. Okay, after that, I like to zoom down more into the weekly. Okay, and for the NASDAQ, I like to draw the hundreds levels. So as you can see right here, 26,100, 26,200, 26,300. Levels that also act as important on the NASDAQ are going to be like 50 levels. So previous supports turn into resistance. Right here, the NASDAQ, previous support. As you can see, came back down, retested it, came down, today came back up, retested, came down again.